Okay, we are going to start question number 7. The curve has the equation given. Find the expression in terms of x and y for y dy over dx. And hence find the gradient of the curve at the point for which y is equal to 0. Okay, we need to find the dy over dx. dy over dx. It means we need to derivate the given curve equation. The given curve equation is 5x square y plus 4 exponential of 2y minus 7x plus 10 equal to 0. When you have the two functions multiplying each other, so we can use product rule, which is duv with respect to dx is equal to u derivative of v plus v derivative of u. Okay, this is the product rule we will apply in this case. Okay, now let's differentiate the given curve equation. So 5, this is the product of two variables, two product rule. First we take x square and derivate the dy. So dy over dx plus y remains same, and derivation of x square, which is derivative of x square with respect to x, bracket close, plus 4 derivative of exponential of 2y with respect to dx, minus 7 derivative of x with respect to x, plus 10. So derivative of 10 with respect to x is equal to 0. Now further solving, we will have 5 x square and derivative of y will be dy over dx plus y derivative of x square is 2x. Okay, bracket close, plus 4 derivative of exponential sum term will remain same, so derivative of exponential of 2y is exponential of 2y. Now derivative of the power, which is derivative of 2y with respect to dx, minus 7 derivative of x with respect to x is 1 plus derivative of constant is 0 equal to 0. Further solving, we will have 5x squared dy over dx plus 5 times y times 2y is 10xy plus 4 exponential of 2y. Derivative of 2y is 2 times dy over dx minus 7 equal to 0. We will retain the term which have dy over dx and switch all term on the right side. So 5x squared dy over dx plus 8 exponential of 2y dy over dx is equal to 7 minus 10xy. Taking dy over dx common, we will have 5x squared plus 8 exponential of 2y equal to 7 minus 10xy. So we will have dy over dx in terms of xy is 7 minus 10xy over 5x squared plus 8 exponential of 2y. So we have the dy over dx in terms of x and y. Now we need to find the gradient of the curve at the point when y is equal to 0. So we need to find the point where this curve hit the y-axis. So first we find the x coordinate of the point where this curve has the y coordinate 0. So from the curve equation, we have 5x squared y plus 4 exponential of 2y minus 7x plus 10 equal to 0. When y coordinate is 0, so we will have 5x squared times 0 plus 4 exponential of 2 times 0 minus 7 times x plus 10 equal to 0. So this term will be 0 plus 4 times exponential of 0 is 1. So 4 minus 7x plus 10 equal to 0. So we have the 7x equals to 14 and x is equal to 2. So the point where the curve hit at the y-axis is the 2, 0. Now we need to find the gradient of the curve at this point. So we can say that the gradient is equals to the derivative at the point where y is equal to 0 and the x coordinate is 2. So 2, 0. Plugging this point in the derivative term, we will have the gradient. So 7 minus 10x, x is 2 times y is 0 over 5x square means 5 times 2 square plus 8 exponential of 2y means exponential of 2 times 0. So this one is equal to 7 over 4 times 5 is 20 plus 8 times 1 is, so this one is equal to 7 over 28, which is, so gradient is equals to the 1 over 4, because this one is 4. So gradient of the curve at point where y is equal to 0 is 1 over 4. Now part B, show that there is no point on the curve at which the tangent is parallel to the y-axis. First, we should know that if the line is parallel to the y-axis, this line will have the slope is equals to infinity, or you can say that 1 over 0. So the question is says that in the curves we will not find any point where the tangent to the tangent we will not find any point on the curve at which the tangent is parallel to y-axis. So we can say that dy over dx slope of the curve at no point will have the slope equal to infinity or equal to 1 over 0. So we already have the dy over dx, which is 7 minus 10xy over 5x square plus 8 exponential of 2. If we have any x and y for which the denominator is 0, so we will have the slope of the curve at that point infinity. We will see that numerator can be any value, any real value, over denominator should not be 0. So we have the denominator, which is 5x square plus 8 exponential of 2y. Okay, we know that exponential of a is greater than 0 if a is real number. So it's mean this value will always be positive. Okay. Secondly, 5 times x square. We know that the x square will always have the value greater than and equal to 0 if x is real value. So we can say that 5x square will always equal to 0 or greater than 0. So whole value, combining these two values, we will have positive value. So it's mean it cannot be 0 for any case. If x and y are real, so d cannot be 0. So we can say that denominator cannot be 0 if x and y are real values. This proves that there is no point on the curve at which tangent is parallel to the y-axis. I hope you enjoyed my lecture. Thank you very much for watching my videos.